Okay.
Okay, start.
Yes, we can
Yeah.
start.
This day 28, remember the magic. It seems lot of stars in the sky, and yes, they are having that golden ash on us.
The moon shadows coming on the water.
Yeah.
Sky is full of
Water.
blessings.
It's not. It's water. Okay.
Yes, yes, it's water.
Okay. That's the thing with magic. You have got to know it's still here, all around us, or it just stays invisible for you. It's Charles D. Lind, writer and Celtic folk musician. Every day is unique. There is no day like any other day. The good things that happen each day are forever different and forever changing. And so, when you remember the magic by counting yesterday's blessings, no matter how many times you do it, it will be different every time. It's just one of the reasons remember the magic, why remember It's just one of the reasons why. Remember, the magic is the most powerful ongoing practice to maintain the magic of gratitude in your life. No matter what your desires are now or what desires you will have in the future, this magical practice will remain the most powerful practice for your entire life. The easiest way to remember the blessings of yesterday is to start by remembering the beginning of the day when you woke up and go back over the day in your mind, recollecting the major events of the morning, afternoon, and evening until you reach the time when went to bed. When you recall yesterday's blessings, it should be effortless. You are just scanning the surface of yesterday, and as you scan, the blessings will bubble to the surface of your mind. You can start this magical practice by asking the question, what are good things that happened yesterday? Whenever you ask a question, your mind will immediately look for the answer. Did you receive any great news? Did you magically receive or accomplish one of your desires? Did you magically receive unexpected money? Did you feel especially happy? Did you hear from a friend who you haven't heard from in a long time? Did something go magnificently well for you? Did you receive a great phone call or email? Did you receive a compliment? Or did someone express his or her appreciation for you? Did someone help you to solve a problem? Did you help somebody? Did you finish a project or start something new you are excited about? Did you eat your favorite food or watch a great movie? Did you receive a gift, resolve a situation, have a stimulating meeting, quantity time with someone, a great conversation, or make plans for something you really want to do? Remember the magic and list yesterday's blessings on a computer or write them out in a journal. Scan over the surface of yesterday until you feel satisfied that you have recalled the blessings of the day. They can be small things or big things because it is not about the size of the blessings. It is about how many blessings you find and how much gratitude you feel for each one. As you remember and notate each one, simply be grateful and say the magic words for it. Thank you. When you want to do this magical practice after today, you can mix it up so that some days you write out the blessing and other days you remember the blessing and say them out loud or in your mind. You can make a quick list of the blessings or you can make a more detailed list saying why you are grateful for each one. There is no set number of blessings to find from yesterday because every day is different. But I can assure you that every single day of your life is full of blessings. And when you have opened your eyes to see the truth of this, you will have opened your heart to the magic of life. And your life will be abundant and magnificent. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Remember the magic. It was created for you. Magic practice number 28. Remember the magic. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. You have written 280 blessings over the course of this book. Remember the magic by counting the blessings of yesterday and writing them down. Ask yourself the question, what are the good things that happened yesterday? Scan the surface of yesterday until you feel satisfied that you have remembered and written down all the blessings of the day. As you remember each one, simply say the magic words thank you for it in your mind. After today, you can do this practice as a written list or out loud or in your mind. You can make a quick list of the things you are grateful for about yesterday, or make a shorter and more detailed list and say why you are grateful for them. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, Auntie, for reading it.
Thanks for reading, Auntie.
Yeah.
I think pretty important and pretty simple thing that as we have reached to the final chapter, so the reminder is there that remember the magic, and whatever blessings we have had, on the past day, yesterday. So it's very important that we can jot down, because during the course.
Something very important happened yesterday in my life.
Oh, please share.
I had lost my directorship about 4 years back because of Modi government's diktat of shutting down 2 lakh companies. So one of the company was my brother's company, which was dormant company, and I had signed as a director there. So my directorship got stuck. So that was resolved yesterday.
Wow,
Congratulations.
Wow,
that's a
congrats.
huge victory.
So nice.
So it had a big impact on my career because I had to give up my directorship in my current company also because of that.
Oh,
To be able to get back that now.
that's a big one.
Wow.
Big one.
It's a big one. I never want.
Congratulations, Madhu.
Yeah, it is absolutely a big one, you know.
So we are grateful for your achievement. Now everybody wants
Yes,
big
yes,
achievements in life.
That is why she's glowing.
Yeah. Very nice.
I'm glowing because I have a second grandson. That's cool.
That's
That is
the best feeling. So yeah. So my confusion.
I would say he has brought luck.
Yes,
true.
that is always true. So usually also, when we write 10 blessings in a day, sometimes I was into the practice of writing, about yesterday, and sometimes I write gratitude points of things I have in life, my parents or, my friends, family, or material things or whatever, or, house and all these things. But this chapter specifically focuses that, just recall your day, what happened yesterday, because during the course of the day you might or might not realize that this is a blessing in itself, and once you start doing it, it is surely a magical thing. Yeah, Sonam, you want to take it forward, add something?
No, anyone wants to say something since we're on our last chapter? All good.
Karthik came to the store today and again with this brilliant idea.
Yeah,
As
so
usual.
whenever I go to auntie's store, we have a lovely chat, and we pool in ideas what new can be done. So today also we came
It's
up with
always a positive meeting.
And creativity is always overflowing, right? Also, all these practices really help your creativity flow out, because in case
Yeah,
you
they do.
create a block, it can get very hard for people like you to function, I can imagine.
Okay, so there's one thing. So we have 4-5 more pages. So
Yeah.
either we can do it tomorrow, or if you want, we can do it today also, since we have time.
Um,
So yeah,
so let's do it today only. Then.
yeah. So
But Karthik, you wanted to combine the 4-5 pages with like a sharing session tomorrow, इसलिए मैं पूछ.
so we can do a half an hour session tomorrow. That's equally fine.
Do it tomorrow. I think we're all very happy to come every night. So it's become like a thing. You know, now 9:30 is going to be a problem. कि मैं 9:30 क्या करूँ अभी?
So Sonam, Madhu auntie missed yesterday's session because she thought it's 10 o'clock. So I'm putting it on you. So she actually, kind of missed one session because of me few days back because of timing, and now because of you. So chalo, we can start with some gratitude or energy practice.
Yes. I just want to say that just the same point that I've been telling you, Karthik, because I'm not so good at picking up the diary and writing 10 things that I've been grateful for. I think I stopped after the 12th day. It really helped me to just say it in my head, because sometimes even picking up the diary and writing it could feel like an effort on some good or bad days. And actually, it's also quite powerful once you wake up and you're in that state of mind to start saying it right there and then. That is a meditative state that you're in, like we've discussed, Madhu auntie, and it is actually also equally powerful. So वो मेरा excuse था कार्तिक, पर वो अभी वो powerful technique हो गया है मेरा.
Very nice.
So in case y'all are lazy on some days, which y'all can be, and it's extremely understandable with work and other things going on, doing stuff in your mind is just as okay. Not saying full sentences is okay. Just taking names is okay. Still acknowledging is okay. So you don't have to. It's great if you write it down. But I mean, from this whole batch, I think Kruti is also somebody who continuously works. I know what her schedule is like. It's pretty crazy for her. And especially for people like you, Kruti, it's absolutely okay. So to just chill and do it in your head.
No, I enjoyed writing. I had really crazy time. Off lately, the work has been picking up now. We are going back and all those things. But I think one chapter I was not able to do it on that relationship and all that. I gave it a skip. I just was not able to do it. But for me personally, it was a transformational journey. And the book. Dil se thank you to you and Karthik introducing this to us. And it was a very different experience. I'll write to you about it maybe tonight or tomorrow.
Please start a Marathi session. You guys, anybody of you volunteer?
So I have introduced this to one of my friend. She came over for a weekend and she heard us on a Saturday and a Sunday, and then she got a book for herself and she has like started it. So she's after me that let's do it. Once you finish with this, then you should do it with us. So it's like that.
Yeah. I mean, the only other message is basically spread the magic, right? Because it's literally what Karthik and I did. We know of the magic, but also, and we thank y'all also, because sometimes we're also the kind to have to be pulled out of bed. Like Karthik also needs to be pulled, and I also need to be pulled. It's human tendency, things happen. So thanks to each one of you who've come, and I can't imagine not seeing your faces here at 9:30 now. It's
a kind of a ritual for us. 9:30, laptop open, and this meeting starts.
And it's lovely because however the day's been, at the end of the day, you know you're going to feel positive, say positive things, meet positive people, and go to sleep positive. So it's amazing. And I want to make sure that there is some practice that Karthik maybe we come up with that they keep doing every night, right? Especially you and me also, to keep the positivity alive.
So just like Sonam does sound healing once a week, maybe, we are working on a structure where we all can meet once a week at least and, spread some kind of positivity, read some good thing or the other thing maybe.
Yeah,
and stay connected that ways.
Yeah.
And you never know, we might start Hindi magic sessions or Marathi magic sessions. So I don't understand Marathi, but I don't mind attending.
Yeah. Everyone else can read. This time we'll listen in Marathi. I can't read it. Super. Just give me 1 second. We'll start. I want some music on. Okay. Can you hear this? Little bit? Okay, super. So again, we'll go on one of my favorite things to do, which is a story journey to take through your mind. Today we'll travel not through a jungle, but somewhere up in the galaxy and see what we can pick up in terms of positivity from there, right? So everybody, take a deep breath in, close your eyes, and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Even listening to the music, and because the music is designed in calming tones, really helps to transport you to a place of mental peace. Now from your seat, where you are sitting, slowly and slowly start rising above. So imagine that your energetic body is rising and rising. You have reached your roof, the ceiling of your room. Stay there. Like the last time, you see yourself sitting in the chair. Tell yourself that you'll be back in the next 3 minutes. We're going on a short journey. Now we rise above, a little higher, through all the ceilings of all the flats in the building, and we've come above your building. Now as you look down, you see your room, it's tiny, and you see your entire building. You're floating, you feel great. There's nothing to worry. It's a good feeling, there's cold breeze. You're at the level of trees, you see the trees swaying around you. They're dancing to beautiful cold waves. Now you rise above, slightly higher and higher. And you've reached a point where you see your area. A bunch of buildings, the road, whatever it is that you see. It's even cooler now. And it's a beautiful feeling to stay afloat. Stay up. Now imagine that you are lying on your tummy while looking below. Turn around. Look at the sky above, like you are on a carpet made of wind. Look at the sky above. See the stars. What do you see? It's actually not a rainy sky. Today is a summer sky. And it's a pitch dark sky with bright, beautiful stars. Beneath you is a cold carpet of wind. You have wind brushing your face. It's a beautiful feeling. You feel at peace. You feel oneness with the universe. You look up and appreciate the creation. Beautiful stars twinkling, the bright moon shining back at you. You got a shooting star. Now in the same position, rise higher. And because we're energetically speaking, we're allowed to say, we've now reached as close as we could to this carpet of stars. They are now within your reach. This beautiful cloud, this cloud carpet, this wind carpet you're on is at a very slow pace, taking you from star to star. You're watching as these lovely stars are around you, and you can actually touch them. They're telling you and asking you to take from them everything that you need energetically. So you go to the first star, you touch it, and you absorb the energy of love. You touch it, you feel the energy transfer, and you light up. You float ahead and you go to the second star. Take your hands, place them on the star. Feel an energy transfer of gratitude. You absorb cosmic gratitude. You go further and you float to the third star. You're now in front of this star. Put out your hands. Touch the star. And energetically absorb love and respect. Fill yourself up, just how you fill a syringe or an injection. You're sucking on that energy. It's beautiful energy. It wants to be inside you. Take it in. You fill yourself up. You now decide to float to the next star. And the next star is a star that reflects. You see yourself. It's like a mirror, a huge mirror that is cut in the shape of a star. You look at yourself in that mirror. You love what you see. Look at yourself in that mirror. Smile at yourself. This is the self that you've always wanted to be, and you have become over the course of these 28 days. This self that you see is the best version of yourself that you have become over the course of 28 days. This self that you see is filled with love and compassion and strength and bravery and confidence and respect for yourself first and others. And that's the self that you see. You are now looking at your transformed self, a transformation that has happened over these 28 days. You thank yourself for appearing to you so clearly. So say thank you. And you promise yourself that you will not forget what you have discovered over this month-long journey. You're happy to meet this person. You're proud of this person. And this person in this star, your most brilliant self, is your North Star. This star is the star that you look at for guiding any time that you feel you are deviating from a path of absolute bliss. This is your North Star. Give yourself a kiss. Promise yourself that you'll remember the promises and say goodbye as we head down and come back. So sit on that cloud again, feel it, and just like a little gentle merry-go-round coming down, a very, very smooth plane landing, you come full of peace, full of love, full of respect from the cosmos. You come down on this lovely fluffy cloud, and you now see your area. You're floating above it. You're a different person when you went up. You're completely transformed when you came down. Now guide the cloud lower and lower. Come towards your building. Float above it. The wind is still blowing. The trees are still rustling. The night is still clear. And you're filled with love. Now guide your cloud towards your ceiling. You're now inside your room. You see yourself sitting, and guide your cloud to come back and sit in the chair. So come back and sit on the chair. You now are surrounded, and from within you feel and carry all the love, respect, compassion that you imbibed from the stars. You feel the weight of your body on the chair again. You are now back safe in your bedroom, in your room. You've had a beautiful journey. Take a deep breath in and release. Bring your awareness back to yourself, to your physical self. Move your fingers gently. Bring awareness back to yourself. Move your toes gently. Bring awareness back to yourself. Smile a little bit. You've had a beautiful drive right to the sky and back. Put your hands together. Warm them up, rock them. Place them on your eyes and stay there for 2 minutes. Say that. We're in no hurry. And slowly, at your own pace, open.
Thank you, Sonam.
Sapna auntie is gone to sleep. Awake.
It was beautiful.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, everyone. So what time do you want to meet tomorrow? Anybody? 9 o'clock, 9:30.
Karthik, how
10.
long will it be? 9.
I think half an hour is
Half
good.
an hour is good, no? Can I just confirm my live? So though I'm not doing it, I may have to attend it. So if it's at 9:30, then can we do it at 9 then? I'll just confirm on the group.
Basically, you just club it with the meditation, this energy practice. So just keep 35 minutes with you. Yeah, including reading and
35.
your
Take it.
practice.
Done.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay, so have a lovely day.
Everybody.
Yeah, we'll meet
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
Good night.